Welcome back to Car Features, the place where we explore the world's most exciting cars and break down what truly makes them special. Today, we're traveling to the sun-soaked Italian coastline to experience Ferrari's newest grand touring masterpiece, the 2027 Ferrari Amalfi. Very few cars feel truly at home along the winding roads of the Amalfi coast, but the Ferrari Amalfi looks as if it was designed specifically for the Gulf of Salerno. Replacing the outgoing Roma, the Amalfi steps into the lineup as Ferrari's ultimate coastal cruiser, focusing on elegance, comfort, and refined performance rather than all-out track domination. It's a car built for long drives, dramatic scenery, and effortless speed, blending supercar pedigree with genuine grand touring sensibility. At first glance, the Amalfi's proportions immediately communicate balance and beauty. The long hood, flowing roofline, and muscular rear haunches create a silhouette that is unmistakably Ferrari, yet softer and more sophisticated than the brand's hardcore models. While it shares a family resemblance with the Roma, the Amalfi introduces subtle refinements that give it a more mature and confident presence. It's seductive rather than aggressive, a Ferrari that doesn't need to shout to be noticed. Beneath that sculpted hood sits a twin-turbocharged 3.9-liter V8, mounted up front but positioned close to the center of the car for optimal balance. This powerhouse produces 631 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque, sending power exclusively to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Thanks to new turbocharger management technology, the Amalfi gains an extra 19 horsepower over its predecessor, along with improved throttle response that makes the engine feel sharper and more immediate. Despite its relaxed grand touring mission, the Amalfi is far from slow. Ferrari estimates a 0-60 time of just 3 seconds, with a top speed approaching 199 miles per hour. That puts it squarely in competition with rivals like the Aston Martin Vanquish and Bentley Continental GT, while maintaining a distinctly Italian character. The V8 delivers strong, linear acceleration, accompanied by a rich exhaust note that feels purposeful without being overwhelming. One of the most significant technical upgrades for 2027 is the introduction of Ferrari's brake-by-wire system and ABS Evo technology, borrowed directly from the 296 GTB. These systems enhance braking precision and stability, especially during spirited driving. The Amalfi also features an active rear wing that automatically adjusts to reduce drag during cruising or increase downforce when pushing through corners. The result is a car that feels composed and confident whether you're gliding along the coast or attacking a mountain pass. Behind the wheel, the Amalfi offers precise steering and exceptional balance. It's equally comfortable, delivering a serene cruising experience as it is carving through corners at speed. While it may not match the raw intensity of Ferrari's mid-engine supercars, that's exactly the point. The Amalfi prioritizes comfort and confidence, making it ideal for long journeys where enjoyment comes from the drive itself rather than lap times. Step inside, and the Amalfi's interior reflects its refined mission. The cabin is wrapped in rich leather and faux suede, with a sweeping dashboard design that flows seamlessly into the doors and center console. Ferrari listened closely to customer feedback, ditching the frustrating haptic steering wheel controls found in the Roma and bringing back physical buttons, including the iconic red start button. This return to tactile controls adds both usability and emotional connection. The Amalfi's 2+2 layout offers small rear seats that are best suited for short trips or weekend luggage. While adults can fit in the back for brief drives, these seats are clearly designed with practicality in mind rather than long-distance comfort. The trunk, however, is impressively usable for a Ferrari, easily accommodating a couple of carry-on bags or even a set of golf clubs, making the Amalfi one of the more practical models in the lineup. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the cabin. The driver is greeted by a massive 16-inch digital gauge cluster that delivers clear, customizable information. The central infotainment system now uses a horizontally mounted 10.3-inch touchscreen, replacing the Roma's vertical display for a cleaner, more intuitive layout. The passenger enjoys their own 8.8-inch display, providing access to performance data like G-forces and engine speed, adding to the sense of occasion. Connectivity features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth integration, and a premium 14-speaker Burmeister audio system that fills the cabin with rich, detailed sound. Whether you're enjoying a quiet coastal drive or cruising at highway speeds, the Amalfi's interior remains a refined and engaging place to be. While driver assistance systems are not the main focus of a Ferrari, the Amalfi offers a selection of modern safety features. Optional technologies include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. These systems add convenience and peace of mind without detracting from the driving experience. Pricing for the 2027 Ferrari Amalfi starts at $266,810, positioning it as one of the more accessible entry points into Ferrari ownership. While that figure is still firmly in supercar territory, it looks almost reasonable when compared to models like the 1.2 Cilindri or the SF90. As with most Ferraris, demand is expected to be strong, with with many examples spoken for long before they leave the factory. Ferrari's warranty coverage includes 3 years of unlimited mile, limited, and powertrain coverage, along with an impressive 7 years of complimentary maintenance. This approach reflects the reality of Ferrari ownership, where mileage tends to be low, but peace of mind remains essential. In the end, the 2027 Ferrari Amalfi is not about chasing lap records or delivering maximum adrenaline. It's about elegance, balance, and the joy of driving in its purest form. With stunning design, a powerful yet refined V8, genuine practicality, and a cabin that blends luxury with usability, the Amalfi stands as one of Ferrari's most well-rounded creations. For drivers who dream of long coastal roads, golden sunsets, and effortless speed, the Ferrari Amalfi feels perfectly at home. It's a reminder that performance isn't always about extremes, and that sometimes the most memorable drives are the smoothest ones. Thanks for watching Car Features. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2027 Ferrari Amalfi, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury and performance car content. Until next time, this is Car Features.